Do you think it's just a TV? Of course not. It can be a whiteboard for brainstorming. People can write together at the same time. If you make a mistake, you can easily erase it by hand. Handwriting can also recognize the conversion of text fonts. You can also insert tables as you like, insert pictures as you wish. You can scan the code to take away after the meeting, no longer afraid of forgetting the content of the meeting. What's more, PowerPoint presentations and free annotations support cell phones, tablets, computers and other devices to test the screen very quickly. It also supports reverse touch control. You can reverse control the laptop by the screen. It's so convenient to operate the presentation. It has 48MP camera with 8 AI microphone and quadruple HD color, big large screen, so the online meetings are more clearer. Also, we can share whiteboard during the meeting, welcome reception, and other functions waiting for you to unlock. With these projectors, whiteboard, laptops, monitors, advertising machine, speakers, Leaderhub let each meeting efficiency directly improve 30%.